So a bucket is 44 centimeter in diameter at the top and 24 centimeter in diameter at the bottom. So find its capacity in liters if it is 36 centimeter deep. So we can be able to answer this question. So allow me to sketch the bucket such that since it is has diameter, so it is circular in shape. So at the top, so the diameter is 44. So radius will be 22 centimeter, and then it is 36 centimeter deep. So that means the bottom diameter is smaller than at the top. So the radius at the bottom is, since diameter at the bottom is 24, so the radius is a half of 24, which is 12 centimeter. So we need to find the capacity of this bucket, and here it is 36 centimeter deep. So that's what we have. So since this a conical frustum is a conical frustum, so what we need to do is also to get the cone that was cut from it, such that for us to get the volume of frustum will be volume of bigger cone minus volume of smaller cone. So this is what we need to get. And the volume of a cone is given by a third pi r squared. So since it's the bigger one, so capital R times capital H, then minus a third pi for the smaller cone, R is and H, so that is it. So we need to find this height here from which the frustum was made, call it H, and therefore we are going to use similarity and enlargement. And that is, this is the bigger radius, this is a smaller radius, then we have the bigger height, all of this, which will be 36 plus 8. For the smaller cone, it is 8. And therefore, if we use similarities and enlargement, that is radius of bigger cone over the radius of smaller cone will be equal to, in terms of height of the bigger cone over height of the smaller cone. So radius of the bigger cone is 22 over radius of the smaller cone is 12, will be equal to height of the bigger cone is 36 plus h all over height of the smaller cone is 8. So we cross multiply, we shall have 22 h is equal to, then we have 12 multiplied by 36 plus h. So let us expand, we have 22h is equal to, so 12 times 36, we get 432, then plus 12 times h is 12h. So here we have, collect like terms together, so we have 22h minus 12h is equal to 432, then 22h minus 12h, that is 10h, is equal to 432. Therefore, h is 43.2 centimeter. So that's our h. So from there now, we can also get the height of the bigger cone, which is 36 plus 43.2. If we add 43.2 plus 36, we get 79.2 centimeter. Now we need to get volume of the frustum. So to get the volume of the frustum will be, now volume of the bigger cone is a third times pi. We are going to use 3.142 times radius of the bigger cone, it is 22, so 22 squared times we have height of the bigger cone is 79.2. So for this, it is volume of bigger cone. So if we work it out, we shall have a third times 3.142 times 22 squared times 79.2. So we get 40,147.22 centimeter cube. Then we get volume of smaller cone will be a third. That will be a third times pi we use as 3.142 times. Then we have radius of the smaller cone is 12 times 12 squared times height of the smaller cone h we got as 43.2. So again we work it out, we get a third times 3.142 times 12 squared times 43.2. So we get, that is 6,515.25, at least 2 decimal place. And therefore volume of frustum, we take the volume of the bigger cone 40,147.22 minus 6,515.25. So again we shall get so we are getting 33,631.97 centimeter cube. Now that is the volume of the frustum, but the question is asking we find its capacity in liters if it is 36 centimeter deep. Now capacity, so 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 centimeter cube, and therefore 33,601.97 we are going to divide by 1000 so that we get values in terms of liters, and therefore divide by 1000 we get 33.63197 liters, and therefore it is approximately 34 liters to a whole number. So that is how we do the question. So thank you so much.